Canadarm. Canadian Contributions to Space by Jaden Skantakumar. Today I will be talking about how the Canadarm has contributed to our space technology. What is this technology? The Canadarm was a remote manipulated arm, also known as the Shuttle Remote Manipulator System. The Canadarm's first appearance was in 1981 on the Columbia Shuttle. During its 30-year career with NASA's Space Shuttle program, the robotic arm deployed, captured, positioned astronauts, and moved cargo. It was also known as Canada's most famous robotic and technological achievement. What is it? The Canadarm could be thought of as a 15-meter arm with a wrist, elbow, and shoulder. It was a shuttle remote manipulator system, and it was used for many other things than picking up objects. It had a series of arms that were used on the space shuttle orbiters to deploy, maneuver, and capture payloads. It was able to lift over 70,000 pounds on Earth and over 600,000 pounds on the Moon because of its effect on gravity. Why is this technology so important? The Canadarm was so important because it marked Canada's first close collaboration with NASA. The Canadarm went for about 90 flights without any failure, a perfect performance record. Its flight history included missions with all of NASA's shuttles, the Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and finally, the Endeavour. The Canadarm impacted space technology so much that it became Canada's key player in the high technology fields of advanced manipulator systems and robotics. How did it contribute to our knowledge of space? The Canadarm is Canada's most famous tool, as it created a legacy with over 5 different variations of the original Canadarm. Canadarm 201, 202, 301, 302, and finally 303. Canadarm 302 was destroyed in the Challenger incident. Canadarm 2, an adaptation of the original Canadarm, Chris Hadfield was only allowed to walk on the Moon because of the Canadarm 2, which would not have been created without the help of the original Canadarm. The Canadarm allowed the agreement between Canada and NASA, allowing the first astronauts to be hired, which also allowed the first moonwalk. In 1990, Canadarm 2 was used to release the Hubble Space Telescope and also helped create the International Space Station, also known as the ISS. This is just how much Canada's most famous tool has contributed to the world's space technology. Canadarm's achievements. Even after 30 missions, 7,000 or more orbits around the Earth, it has never malfunctioned. It gave Canadians a reputation in the international robotics community. Its excellent performance record has inspired several generations of scientists and engineers as they develop new technologies. It set a standard to make all applications as good as possible. The Canadarm is the symbol of Canada and has branded Canada a member of the Space Exploration Program. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about the Canadarm.